As the last section in our application layer discussions, let's briefly talk about the first steps towards developing network applications, circuit programming. Our goal is learning to build client-server applications that communicate using circuits. Remember, whether our client and server communicate over an open or a proprietary protocol, they need to use IP address and port number to identify the applications that are running on the end systems across the network. A circuit, as a door to the process, provides the service, and programmer needs to decide on the transport layer protocol, which could be TCP or UDP. The first important caveat to remember is not to use port numbers that are assigned to known applications or are already in use. Can you tell why? We are going to explore circuit programming using Python. This choice is because of ease of reading a Python code and its explainability to users that might not have specific programming language expertise. You can check circuit programming in C++ or Java if you're interested. In our earlier discussions in the application layer, we discussed that we determine use of transport layer protocol based on application needs. If we do not care about reliable transport and we can sacrifice reliability, for example, for speed, we can use UDP. If the application we are developing needs reliable transport, we use TCP. We will first explore UDP circuit programming and then TCP circuit programming. To explore this through an example, we will develop a simple application with a simple communication scenario. In this application, client reads a line of characters from its keyboard and sends that data to the server. Server receives the data and converts characters to uppercase. Server then sends the modified data to client, and client receives the modified data and displays it on its screen.